Let's rebuild. Together we can find the pieces and put them back in place. We all know what it feels like to be broken. The loneliness, the pain, the feeling of being lost. But even in the darkest night, remember this, hope still flickers. A single light can guide you through the shadows. Within you lies the strength to rebuild, to rise from the ashes stronger than before. Stay with me now, and let's find that strength together. It's time to rediscover your inner power. It's about digging deep, confronting the pain, and emerging from the fire, reforged. The journey won't be easy, but it will be worth it. Are you ready to start the journey? Take a deep breath, lace up your shoes, and let's begin this path to rebuilding. Number 1, facing the shadow. The first step is to acknowledge your feelings. Don't try to hide from the pain. Let yourself feel the hurt, the anger, the despair. It's all right to be broken, to feel lost. That's the starting line of this race. Pretending you're not hurting doesn't make the pain disappear. Look it in the eye, call it by its name. This is your truth, and accepting it is the foundation upon which we'll rebuild. From acceptance comes understanding. Number 2, finding your cornerman. The world can be a lonely place, especially when you're hurting. It feels like the weight of the world is on your shoulders, and every step you take is a struggle. But you don't have to walk this path alone. There are people who care, who want to help you through the tough times. Reaching out to a therapist or counselor isn't a sign of weakness, but a testament to your will to heal. It's a brave step towards reclaiming your life and finding peace. Even the toughest boxers have a cornerman, someone who stands by their side, offering guidance and support when they need it most. A therapist is your cornerman in life. They are there to help you navigate the complexities of your emotions and experiences. They provide tools, strategies, and insights to navigate the rough terrain ahead. With their help, you can find new ways to cope and thrive. They're there to listen, understand, and help you find your way back to the light. With their support, you can rediscover hope and build a brighter future. Number 3, the power of we. We thrive on connection, on the support of others. Surround yourself with people who lift you up. Family, friends, support groups. These are your anchors in the storm. Their encouragement can be a lifeline. Don't underestimate the power of a kind word, a listening ear, a shoulder to cry on. These are the people who remind you of your worth. Let them help you carry the weight. Number 4, brick by brick. Rebuilding your life is about small steps, daily victories. Each day presents a new opportunity to make progress, no matter how minor it may seem. Set small, achievable goals for yourself. These goals act as stepping stones, guiding you towards a larger vision. Maybe it's getting out of bed and making it to the kitchen for a cup of coffee. Starting your day with a simple routine can set a positive tone. Maybe it's taking a walk around the block. Fresh air and movement can do wonders for your mindset. Maybe it's picking up the phone and calling a friend. Connection with others can provide support and encouragement. Celebrate each achievement, no matter how small. Recognizing your progress fuels your motivation. These small victories build momentum. Each success, no matter how tiny, creates a ripple effect. They remind you that you are capable and strong. Every step forward reinforces your resilience and determination. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Great things take time, patience, and consistent effort. Number 5, the gift of you. Rebuilding your life is about rediscovering yourself. Take care of yourself, body and soul. Indulge in activities that bring you joy. Listen to music, read books, lose yourself in a hobby. This isn't selfish, it's essential. Fill yourself up with joy, with peace, with the things that make you feel alive. Number 6, lessons from the rubble. Let's talk about the past. Sometimes the greatest lessons are learned in the ruins of our mistakes. Reflect on what led you to this point. Recognize the patterns, the triggers, the red flags. Understanding the past is how we avoid repeating it. Turn your wounds into wisdom, your scars into badges of courage. Number 7, emotion creates emotion. The human body is a remarkable machine. Jumpstart the healing process through movement. Start small, take a walk, do some stretching, put on some music and dance. Exercise releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals. It's about celebrating your body, feeling its strength and resilience. Get moving and feel the blood pumping. Number 8, a new dawn, a new you. Learn something new. Take a class, learn a language, pick up a musical instrument. The process of learning does wonders for the spirit. It gives you a sense of accomplishment. It reminds you that you are capable of growth and change. The world is full of possibilities waiting for you to explore them. Number 9, the gift of giving. Sometimes the best way to help ourselves is to help others. Volunteering can be incredibly healing. It takes the focus off your own pain. The act of giving back can fill your cup in ways you never imagined. It connects you with your community and fosters a sense of purpose. Find a cause that resonates with you and give of yourself freely. Number 10, rhythm of recovery. Establishing a daily routine can be beneficial. It provides structure, a sense of normalcy. Start small. Set a regular sleep schedule. Make time for healthy meals. Regain a sense of control over your day. A routine supports you in rebuilding your life, day by day. Number 11, guarding your energy. Be mindful of the energy you allow into your space. Distance yourself from toxic relationships and environments. This isn't about being selfish, it's about being self-aware. Surround yourself with positivity. You are in control of your own narrative. Choose wisely who and what you allow to shape it. Number 12, finding light in the darkness. Gratitude is a powerful force. Focus on the good things in your life. A gratitude journal can be helpful. Write down 3 things you're grateful for every day. As you focus on the positive, your perspective begins to shift. Even in brokenness, there's always something to be grateful for. Number 13, the stillness within. Meditation can help you find stillness within the storm. Observe your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Start with just a few minutes each day. Meditation can help you manage stress and cultivate inner peace. Number 14, fueling the fire within. Never underestimate the power of inspiration. Surround yourself with stories, words, and images that ignite your soul. Read books, watch movies, listen to music that stirs your emotions. Seek out mentors who embody the qualities you admire. Their stories can serve as a beacon. Inspiration is everywhere. Be open to receiving it. Number 15, the journey of a lifetime. Healing takes time. Be patient with yourself. There will be setbacks. Don't judge yourself harshly for the days you struggle. Pick yourself up and start again tomorrow. This is a journey, not a destination. Keep moving forward, one step at a time. Your time to rise. And there you have it. 15 steps on the path to rebuilding your life. It won't be easy, but I believe in you. You are not defined by your brokenness, but by your willingness to rise above it. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and sharing it. Keep believing, keep fighting, and never give up on yourself.